Welcome. If you've ever wanted to save your cover photo from Facebook using the app on your PC, especially after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through every step you need to know so you can keep your favorite banner safely stored on your device. Let's dive right in. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in so you can access all of your personal features. Once the app is open, look at the top of the page for your profile photo. Click on it. This action takes you straight to your Facebook profile, where you can see everything you've shared, including your cover photo. On your profile page, find your cover photo displayed at the top. Click directly on the cover photo to bring up a closer preview. Beneath the photo, you'll notice a row of icons. Look for the 3 dots right under the cover image. Click on these 3 dots to open more options related to your cover photo. Now, from the menu that appears, select Save Post. This option may appear as part of an updated Facebook interface, making it easier than ever to save items for future reference. After you click Save Post, you'll be prompted to choose a collection. Collections let you organize saved posts and photos for easy access later. Select an existing collection or create a new one based on your needs. Once you've made your choice, click Done to confirm your selection. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've saved your cover photo through the new Facebook update using the app on your PC. This trick is perfect for anyone who likes to collect memories, organize their profile, or simply keep a backup of their best cover images. If you found these instructions helpful, don't forget to share this video with friends who might need a hand with Facebook's latest features. Thanks for watching.